it's just called Check It Out. Oh my god, I just got done finishing downloading, uploading. Uploading. Check it out. I'm doing this other one just as I just got done uploading it. And you guys understand. Remember to subscribe, comment, and anyways, I am gonna have to do something really quickly. I don't know what part you guys, but what this is like a cute little volume up on it. Oh wait, I found it. I like drew it again. Like seriously, who does not do that? I have to draw it darker. Darker. Okay. So that's like. I'm done. That took like almost 3 or 4 or 5 minutes. Like almost 5 minutes. 10 to 5 minutes. Like it. I can't draw that, but look at that. Pretty cute. Right. You look at it from my angle, it's really awesome. Why did you feel like music was playing, but it's not. In my head, it's a Tammy issue, like, no. Like, my phone does this all the time. I noticed it when I was like this, and then I seen the time for doing it. Tablet. Start recording again! Sometimes it just guys don't know what SFL means, I kind of like just now thought of it. I thought of SFL stars for life. SFL stars for life. Oh, by the way, I am cold. That's why I got this. Selfie of the day. Like, in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Which I got, guys. If you pause the video on that countdown during the flash, it did not get you. Like, I'm trying to like see my eyes, like it's not working. Like I used to be able to do that. So, oh yeah, it's off. I just turned it off because of this little thing right here. On right now. Okay. And it's off. What did I just do? I do spray this area with air spray every moment because like I don't want this whole area. Like I'll spray it just a little. But yummy. Hi. Then I got this one too. I did copy. I did. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. If you don't know who that is, go check out his channel. His name's Chad. No, just type in Chad Allen. No space. Chad. He's cool. Well, and I have to end the video and do another one right after this. I will see you guys later. And I'm going to name this video. I'm actually going to name it What's up? I'm going to name this video What's Up? Cough. I'm going to do What's Up? So remember, like, comment, subscribe,